Or should I get, what is it, Grand Theft Auto everybody's talking about?
Oh, yeah.
What about that? Are we
Okay.
talking about that later?
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Oh, let's talk
right
about
now.
it. Grand Theft Auto. Okay, so I didn't, by the way, I don't know very much about what's going on because
Okay.
I just saw on Twitter when it happened and everybody was talking about it. And then I saw the response from Rockstar and they were sad about it,
They were,
right?
they weren't just sad.
Well, they were pissed
Yeah.
and sad.
All that hard work.
Yeah, sentimental. They're like, man, thanks for sticking with us. Everybody who wants to see the game the right way and not this way. And there was an actual breach. So they had to mention if anything else was compromised, like user data and stuff like that. And so they had to say something, but they're like, no, that stuff's fine. It's just the footage and we're not happy. So a hacker posted authentic early footage of the much anticipated game. Did you? Okay, I didn't watch the footage.
Okay.
I'm just
I'll
going to
just give
say
you
that.
a brief kind of overview.
I'm just going to say that. I didn't watch the footage. We're not going to show the footage. They're very upset about the footage.
So a hacker hacked Rockstar databases for GTA 6 footage. And they released around 90 videos.
Wow.
I saw most of them.
That's a lot of videos.
Although I heard that these videos were made like in 2017, so like a long time
What?
ago. They started working on GTA 6 after, like right after GTA 5.
So wild.
So
How long this stuff takes
2014
is so
around there.
crazy.
So kind of describing what I saw was like test footage of like the player shooting stuff, going through the city. Graphics were kind of cool. There's physics, how players would move, cops, and like how the dynamic AI would work. But yeah, I'm sure you can find it online if you search for it.
No, I'm not going to.
There's-
I'm not
well,
going
the
to, Will.
audience.
I'm not going to. Nobody's
Okay.
going to because
Okay, good.
out of respect for Rockstar
Yes, don't
because
do
they are
that.
sad. So what we're going to do is wait for them to give us their own teaser, aren't we, Will?
Yeah, absolutely. I was very impatient. I was very curious, but also for the news. I want to talk.
No, you need to do some research. I get it, Will. And it was before Rockstar had posted their response, I assume.
Yeah, here's the response.
Yeah, he said, we recently suffered a network intrusion in which an unauthorized third party illegally accessed and downloaded confidential information from our systems, including early development footage from the next Grand Theft Auto. At this time, we do not anticipate any disruption to our live game services, nor any long-term effect on the development of our ongoing projects. We are extremely disappointed to have any details of our next game shared with you in this way. Our work on the next Grand Theft Auto game will continue as planned, and we remain as committed as ever to delivering an experience to you, our players, that truly exceeds your expectations. We will update everyone again soon, and of course, we'll properly introduce you to this next game when it's ready. We want to thank everyone for their ongoing support through this situation, Rockstar Games team. Like, they sound upset, Will.
Yeah, and you know what? When I was watching it, there was a bit of guilt.
You were experiencing.
I felt awful watching it. And I actually immediately went to the comments and everyone was just good vibes. Like, hey, this is really good looking gameplay. Really excited to see what you guys are doing next.
Right.
I
don't think that really matters.
positive.
I don't know that.
But it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It's weird, isn't it? I mean, you try to think of the equivalent, and it's not even close to the equivalent. Like, it's not even a fair comparison. But imagine we were working on a video. This never happens. But imagine if we were working on a video for like a year or something, and then all of a sudden, like weird clips of it started going out, and it's not even on the same scale because it's like this is an enormous team, and it does kind of ruin it to a certain extent. But everything leaks. In 2022, it's like, I don't know. It's so hard to keep a secret. And you kind of just, I don't know, you kind of have to go with it. Like, I look at how Google treats it. It's different than a game.
They kind of embrace it.
They embrace it. I don't maybe even encourage it at some points. They make jokes about it. And it's tough. I really don't know the protocol. And you really can't predict emotionally how that goes. And obviously a game is a little bit more. It's a different type of product than a phone. With a story and spoilers and I don't know.
Test footage, betas.
Yeah, it's really weird comparatively. But I guess I don't know. They're both creative processes to an extent. When does this game come out, roughly? Is there any indication at this point?
No.
Just zero indication.
No, yeah, nothing.
Nothing. No
so they've
predictions.
been really quiet about it. It's probably why someone was really enticed to hack them.
Well, yeah, I guess so.
And also Diablo 4 got hacked with gameplay as well. Recently, like around the same day.
Same guy?
I don't know.
Same group?
Maybe.
So
But it's a shame.
Are you making accusations? Because we're getting hacked next. You understand?
Oh, God. Who later gets hacked?
Trust me, it's not worth it.
Test footage of us
Trust me, it's not worth it.
and me doing ads? Oh, boy.
Right.
Oh, God.
The raw recordings.
Yeah.
The retakes.
It's like 3 hours.